What a wonderful world. What a wonderful.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Magically Rihanna, and today I am at Epcot for my annual pass preview for Cosmic Rewind. It is a Guardians of the Galaxy ride at Epcot, and it's a roller coaster, and I'm so excited to ride it before opening day, which I will also be there for that. So yeah, come along with me and I'll show you what's up in the ride. Special event check-in. On my way to save the galaxy, guys. There it is. Oh God. Oh man. It looks so cool in here. The lighting in here, it's kind of my colors.
Welcome, Terrans. I am Worldmind, sentient supercomputer of Xandar. Although our two planets are light years apart, our stories were destined in the stars to come together. Your soul. Understanding you, Terrans, is just one of the reasons we are here today at Epcot. We hope we may learn from each other and dedicate ourselves to promoting peace through understanding.
Like your planet, Terra, Xandar is dependent on your life.
They attract students from Andromeda and beyond, looking for stellar education. We are proud of our foundational learning, and teachers are highly respected on our planet. On Xandar, we are never far removed from the natural world, and caring for the environment is one of our core principles. Our lush, exotic gardens are the envy of the galaxy.
A magic life. Yes.
The Nova Corps began with just 500 members. Service was observed. Today, we operate as a massive universal peacekeeping force. As you might expect, the Nova Corps maintains a strict dress code that lets me correct.
DJ Quill.
Noted, thank you. So, it was your idea to help Sandra?
Okay. It wasn't exactly my idea.
Is this the famous Groot? Every Xandarian knows how you gave your life to save the rest of the Guardians that day of the battle. Tell us in your own words how that felt.
You gotta forgive me. He's got what you call a limited vocabulary. What he's trying to say is, and sacrifice himself to save us all, and Xandar. Fortunately, he's plant-based.
Room for everyone. Thank you.
Welcome, parents. Come on in. Just kind of stay in the lighted gray carpet area.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Epcotians. Citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves?
Disney adults.
I'm on. Someone needs to tell me what I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration.
Guys, I got the front row on this ride. This is so cool.
Okay, headed for the jump point. This plane is never gonna work. Rocket! Well, okay, I've locked onto your vehicle. We'll be right behind you. Nothing to worry about.
We cannot stop this unusually large man. We are likely doomed.
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing. What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
Oop. Oh no! Oh my god!
The Big Bang!
Oh my god!
really think they deserve to be called heroes? Do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying.
So, my thoughts about this ride is amazing. It's so cool. I know I'm just like overhyping, but it deserves it though, because I know there's like roller coasters like similar to this that exists, but it's just that it has like, I don't know, there's just something about this ride that I'm just taken away. It's like Space Mountain and like Rock and Roller Coaster. Heck, like Riff Ride Rocket had like a baby or something. Like it's so good, and I'm so glad I was able to go on it. So I'm even looking forward to it on opening day. I want to go again. Like, it was so good. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. I walked around the World Showcase a bit, but I'm gonna head back to my dorm. If you guys like this video, make sure to leave a like on it if you did. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my adventures. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my adventures. And I hope to see you guys real soon. Bye!